Welcome back to Educatopia, where we explore the fascinating world of biology. In today's episode, we will be exploring transport in plants. So let's dive right in. Inside the roots, there are tiny straw-like structures called root hairs. These root hairs increase the surface area of the roots, allowing them to absorb water and dissolve minerals from the soil. Now here comes the exciting part. Osmosis is the process by which water molecules move from an area of higher water concentration to an area of lower water concentration through a selectively permeable membrane. In the case of plants, this membrane is found in the root cells. As the root cells have a higher concentration of dissolved minerals compared to the soil water molecules move into the root cells through osmosis. This helps to maintain a balance of water and minerals within the plant. Once inside the roots, the water and minerals travel upward through the stem. Let's see how this happens. Inside the stem, there are special transport tubes called Xylem vessels. These vessels act like tiny pipes that carry water and minerals from the roots to the rest of the plant. Now, this is where another amazing property of water comes into play. Water molecules have a special attraction to each other called cohesion, and they also stick to the walls of the xylem vessels due to adhesion. These forces help the water molecules move upward in a continuous stream. Our journey takes us to the final destination, the leaves. Here, an essential process called transpiration occurs. Inside the leaves, there are tiny openings called stomata. These stomata allow gases to enter and exit the plant. When they open, water vapor escapes into the air, a process known as transpiration. As water evaporates from the leaves, it creates a pulling force, or suction, in the xylem vessels. This force, combined with cohesion and adhesion, helps to draw more water up from the roots, just like a straw. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions or suggestions in the comments. Until next time, calm your nerves and focus on learning.